Hi guys, welcome to yet another amazing video in which we are going to see now the benefits of having your own custom domain email address. Now in our last video we were going through the advantages or benefits of having your own domain name. Now in this video, as I've said, we are going to see the benefits now of having your own custom domain email address. Now custom domain email address is what we are trying to fix with this one, rather than having a generic one like whereby it's like this, we are using a gmail.com domain name. We are going now actually to start discussing the advantages of using our own domain name, so that we can have whatever it is that we want at our domain name.com. Now what are some of the advantages or benefits of having our own custom domain name address? So domain email address. Now this is what we are going to go over in this video. Now the first thing you have to realize that it's trustable. Like we said also in the last video, is that the moment a customer, or rather your lead, sees that you've sent them an email from whilst using a Gmail email address, at some point some are going to wonder why you do something like that. Now this is why I'm saying it's not trustable, and personally I've tested this out severally. I've even asked people to contact me on my Gmail address if they wanted a speedy response from me. Even so, they still go ahead and use the custom domain email address for the blog over and over. In fact, I hardly get any email on the Gmail address I've clearly specified. Bolding out the address won't help either. People just feel more compelled to engage in a professional way, and you'd argue that they are professional and looking for professionalism. It could also be that they feel more trusting of the professional email address, and that their message will actually be received that way, is opposed to the other common way of using that Gmail. They feel it's like, if I send this to their Gmail, they are not going to receive it. Maybe probably it's going to go to the spam folder, promotions. They are not going to be heard. So this is why I'm saying that this is trustable as one of those advantages, because personally I've tested this out and it seems as though people just want to lean on that. So secondly, it's personalizable. This means that do you know that it can prove extremely hard to personalize email addresses using free email services like Gmail, Yahoo and all that. So much so that you see people including numbers and some funny characters in their email addresses, so that they may at least get the name they want in there somehow. Like the example would be like your name 123 at gmail.com. There are people who you see having such Gmail addresses. This is something that is actually easily fixable with your own custom domain email address, as you can get it to read out as you want, and also be simple, even if that means only having one character preceding the at symbol. For instance, a at mydomainname.com. This is actually possible, but you cannot get like a at gmail.com. Now that's not going to happen. But with your own custom domain email address, this is going to be possible. So this is the advantage of it. So as you can well tell, you have more flexibility in personalizing your email address than you would with any free option out there. So this is the second advantage why you'd want to consider having your own custom domain email address. Now the third one is going to be free advertising. Obviously, you are running an affiliate business, and whether that is you are using your email address online or offline, in cards or wherever it is that you use your email, using your own custom one email address, you are going to be promoting your affiliate business automatically and freely, because anyone who has to engage with you, they will need to know your email. And since it's custom, your business's name will stick with them. This means easy brand recognition. They're going to know your business, get traffic back to your website, and even desire to affiliate with your business, because you are showing professionalism. You are coming through as someone who exactly knows what it is that they are doing. People would want to do business with you. The fourth thing is that it's organizable. It's so hard to open and keep track of multiple generic email addresses, more so for the many aspects and functions of your affiliate business. For instance, say you want several emails, one for, say, collaborations with other affiliate marketers, another, say, for support, for products you are promoting, or your own products, another for signing up to affiliate products and tools and all that, receiving payments and whatnot. It's easier to have custom domain emails for all this. For instance, it could be like collab, for collaborations, at your domain name, .com, affiliate, at your domain.com, info at your domain. You get your name at your domain.com, at your domain. It's easy this way, as opposed to having something like collab345 at gmail.com, info support 3 at gmail, something like looks like your name ppk at gmail. This is some of the things that you see out there, and remembering the latter will be hard work always. Needing constant reference, it's not fun. You don't know exactly what sort of play of words or play of numbers or mixing this and that, so that you could just have that Gmail address to look and feel right. With your own custom domain name, you don't even need to worry about this. You can just simply just enter your own email address however you want, and it's going to read just perfectly. So this is the advantage of having your own custom domain email address. So this is it's organizable. Plus, say for instance you are trying to bring also other people in your affiliate business, it's easy just to have their name and your domain email address, your domain name like at their like that, give it to them. And when you are going through your emails, your database of emails, it's easy just to organize their emails to a label. You just know that you click on that, you get all their stuff in there. Now it's hard when also you are using all this, it doesn't really look nice. Even in fact, you can put this on a card, it won't really come through looking professional and all that. So fourth, as we've said, it's organizable. Now the last thing it has to be, obviously, it's going to increase your email deliverability rate. It's not customers alone who look at generic email addresses from businesses with raised eyebrows. Email filter solutions in email services like Gmail also dislike this and will greatly affect your inbox deliverability rates. Meaning less people are opening your emails, and if less people are opening your emails, that means less eyeballs to your affiliate offers, and obviously, as an unintended consequence, decreased affiliate sales and commissions. The sort of thing that you don't want to be happening in your affiliate business. So these are just some of the advantages or benefits of having your own custom domain email address. Now there are so many other discoverability for SEO and all this and all that, but the main important thing for an affiliate marketer, you just need to make sure that the deliverability rates are high. You really don't want also you need to be able to to organize things properly, your emails properly, to advertise, personalize your email to read just right, and you also want your leads to trust you. So these are just some of the advantages, but I do believe that they are core advantages, things that you need to ponder through and indeed go ahead and get yourself a domain name. And also in the coming videos, I'm going to show you exactly how to create now this custom domain email address so that you may start using it, and some other tips on how you can go about setting also this custom domain email address in attaching them to different ways, so that you may have options of how it is that you want to be interacting with your custom domain email address. Now all these things, I'm going to drop them in coming videos, so do ensure that you subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any of these videos, so that you may take advantage of these tips and skills and implement them in your affiliate business, and you are going to see amazing results with all this. Now ensure that you also hit the thumbs up button, and also You can also share this video with whomever you want, and as always, keep an eye out, implement all these things that I'm sharing, and I do believe you are going to see the results that you are hoping for. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and insightful, and until next time, happy earning and God bless you.